A Pakistani minister has said that thanks to the China-Pakistan economic corridor, Pakistan is now slowly moving from imported fuels to local fuel for power generation and from outdated technology to new Chinese technology.
The actual change that has happened is that we are now slowly moving away from imported fuels to our local fuels, and we are slowly moving away from outdated technology to new Chinese technology. So this shift is happening. Chinese companies, they are bringing their technology to Pakistan, their management to Pakistan, and they are teaching Pakistani engineers and workers.
Highlighting the prospects of the transmission network, he said that 660 kilovolts Matiari Lahore high voltage direct current transmission project under the CPAC is the most advanced transmission project in Pakistan's history.
It was the most advanced transmission project in Pakistan's history, and it was very crucial because it connects the south of the country to the north of the country and vice versa. So this was a truly historic commitment by China to Pakistan's energy future, Pakistan's economic improvement.
Regarding the 10th anniversary of CPAC this year, the minister said China supported Pakistan in 2013 when no Western country was willing to invest. The Chinese embassy revealed in its recent data that by the end of 2022, CPAC has brought $25.4 billion in direct investment to Pakistan and has created about 236,000 jobs for the country.
So this commitment by China is truly an all-weather friendship, and it has shown to the people of Pakistan. 10 years ago, none of this existed. Now it exists across the country, and people can see projects with their own eyes where China has come to Pakistan's support. So that is the important part.